Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resume on headset insertion on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Go to the extra settings section and here click to the audio button. In the headset section, if the detect headset option is enabled, you can find a second option, the resume on headset insertion. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next card icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.